Hi, I'm Bill. Welcome to Bill's Pre-K Tai Chi featuring Yang 24. Today we're going to do the first 4 movements of Yang 24. We begin with our feet together, equal weight on both feet. Nice and flexible. We step out with our left and we shift our weight so we're equally balanced on our both feet. Now, the commencement of Tai Chi, we sink down almost like we're going to sit in a chair, but we tilt our pelvis forward as we sit, and we sort of let our arms drift up. As they sink, we shift all our weight in our center of mass over our right leg, and now I hold the ball. This means I'm going to strike to my left as I empty step out to the left. I shift my weight and turn my body and strike the enemy. I also watch this right leg and I adjust this foot so I'm now 45 and I strike the enemy. Now we do it one more time. We shift our weight back, turn my left toe out from the hip, my weight goes back on that left leg. I'm now holding the ball with the right hand in the bottom. I empty step with the right. Once more, part the wild horse's mane 2. Once more, I shift my weight back. I pivot my right toe now out. All my weight over that right leg. Hold the ball with the left hand in the bottom. Empty step. Part the wild horse's mane 3. Now, next step, a half step up with the right. Shift my weight back onto my right leg. My right arm goes out like I'm taking a selfie, and now I open up. The reason for this is to get the weight on my right leg, so now I can do the first of 3 brush knees. I come back, all my weight's on my right, I empty step with the left, I brush knee 1. I shift my weight back, I pivot from my hip, the left toe out, all my weight on my left, brush knee 2. Arms come across, my right arm here is protecting my knee and my left hand is striking the enemy. Once more, I shift my weight back, pivot my right toe out, and brush knee 3. Now, one more thing, step up, half step with the right, shift my weight back onto my right leg, and play the guitar. So I'm squeezing the enemy's arms between my elbow and my hand. And that's the end of the first 4 movements. Parting the wild horse's mane, white stork spreads wings, brush knee, and playing the guitar. Join me for the next 4. Thank you.